Do you swallow a painkiller each and every time a headache appears out of the blue? The next time a headache strikes, stay away from the medicine cabinet and instead head to the kitchen, then brew a herbal tea. Actually, there are many different herbal teas that are proven effective for a headache, and the best thing about them is they can help you attain immediate relief without causing some side effects that painkillers bring. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea are some of the mild ones, while bleeding, ulcers, and liver damage are some of the more serious ones. So the next time you want to end your bout of a nasty headache with the help of a painkiller, pause and think about the things you may get in exchange for relief from that throbbing pain that you are feeling in your head. Then the next step for you to take is whip up a freshly brewed cup of the following headache-busting herbal teas. Hi, I'm Anna. Today I will present 7 herbal teas for headache. Number 1. Ginger tea. Everyone who is into drinking herbal teas for various problems knows very well that ginger tea is an effective remedy for indigestion. Did you know that it's also something that you may take if you are having a headache? A cup of ginger tea has superb anti-inflammatory properties that can immediately put that aching head of yours to an end. Number 2. Peppermint tea. Just like ginger tea, peppermint tea is revered for its ability to deal with indigestion. In addition, this beverage is also capable of curing a headache, all naturally. A cup of peppermint tea can help you attain relief no matter if your headache is due to overstimulation of the nerves or overstretching of the stomach after a heavy meal. Number 3. Chamomile tea. What's so wonderful about a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea is it's a brilliant fighter of a headache regardless of the reason behind such. For instance, this herbal tea may be taken if your headache is due to an allergy attack or an upset stomach. Chamomile tea may be consumed if your anxious thoughts are the ones that are making your head hurt. You may also enjoy a cup of chamomile tea at bedtime if you cannot get some much needed zeds because the headache is around due to some really stressful thoughts. Number 4. Lavender tea. Aside from chamomile tea, you may also consume lavender tea if you are having a bout of anxiety, which is something that can definitely throw a nasty headache your way. Number 5. Cinnamon tea. The pleasing aroma of cinnamon tea is usually enough to make that nasty headache a little bearable. But wait until you have consumed an entire cup of it. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties it has can nip that headache in the bud. Experts say that cinnamon tea is especially superb for people whose headaches come from having a cold. Number 6. Basil tea. Due to the compounds in basil tea that boost the ability to fight off free radicals and inflammation, a cup of it may be taken in place of your trusted painkiller. If you are not really a fan of the peppery flavor of basil tea, then fret not because it will only worsen your headache. What you need to do is sweeten a cup of it with a little honey. Number 7. Green tea. Finally, you may consume a cup of freshly brewed green tea whenever a headache is bugging you. Available practically everywhere from the local supermarket to the convenience store near you. A cup of green tea floods your body with antioxidants that help deal with the many different root causes of a headache, like an upset stomach and stress. That's 7 herbal teas for headache. If you like this video, please share it to your friends.